Yo, yo, yo. Welcome to another day of Power Plays. We ain't gonna hold it up long, man. We gonna get to it. Yesterday was a very eventful day for the SPY, as you can see. For our chart for yesterday, we were looking for some rejection areas, possibly some breakout areas possible because of the SPY moving in the pre-market from 673 to 668, and what you're gonna see is gonna be interesting for what happened yesterday. Alright, bam. You see it. All this movement occurred yesterday. So at the open, it went 673. So already above. It went all the way up. 675.29 came back down to 673 area, 672, 673 area right there. And then it ran back up 675. Looked like it was finna do some work, and then bam, the rejection. And on the rejection, we go from 675, 675.56, all the way down initially to 655.49, and we go back up to 661, and then we come back and we bam 652. So overall, that's a $23 move down. And you talking about some resistance, market corrections, all kind of stuff, man. There's people probably tripping right now, but that's the way the cookie crumbles. So let's look at our chart. So we said we break above 673.68. We'll look for inch around 676. No, that's wrong. It should be 673.20. I got it. It's wrong. It says 676, but it says 673.20 to 676.50, that area. But if you got in right there, you could have ran up and got to that first level. But over here on the put side, well, we have anything rejection near 673.40. We was gonna enter, and we was gonna take it targeting 671, 670, 669. Well, as we saw on the chart, on the chart, it blew through all of that. So if you bought those puts at any time, pretty much during the day, unless you bought them at 12:45 to what is like, it's like 120 when it actually went up for a few and then it pulled back again. So other than that, if you bought puts, you should have had a pretty good day. So let's look at the chart for today. Let's look at the chart for today. If SPY can break and hold above the 655.77, I look for inch around 655.85 and 656.20 is with my stop loss under 655.20. With my targets at 657.50, 659, and 661. And this is only if the bullish continuation goes on and it keeps moving up. On the put side, I'm gonna look for if SPY pushes in that 655, 650, and 655, 650, 570 range and rejects, then I'll look for a short stop above 656.20. Set my targets at 652.80, 651.40, and 650. Because look like in the pre-market the sellers defending this area, so we're gonna see how that goes. So my plan today gonna be real simple. It's Friday. I'm gonna wait for some confirmation inside the 649.50 to 655.50 zone. I'm gonna start. I want some looking for some volume and a clean break. Close above the 5-minute candle because that's the chart I actually trade off of. But if you got the 15-minute or the hour, look for some momentum, little volume, and some clean breaks. on your chart levels, and then from there, and some strength in those candles, and you should be fine. And make sure you stay within your range. Scale out of your profits at 20, 25, 30%. And you know that this Friday had a lot of movement yesterday with that big move on the SPY. So it could be a lot more movement today. Could be some more correction. Could be some more push down. It could, but it's Friday, so be careful for fake outs. And that's your trade plan for the day. I'm gonna say bullish only above 655.77, bearish below 649.49, and be patient, discipline, and trade your plan. And so, if anything in this video, and if anything in this video you see that you want to discuss, leave a comment, and we can do that. But if you don't stay disciplined and follow your plan, then you might have a bad day. Now, this is not financial advice. This is just the ideas of a trader who trade every day with a group of good guys. Now, if you want to join our group, come on over to Power Plays, man, Discord. Join our group and have some fun trading, man. But as for today, get out there, get your money, and have fun. And I'll see you on Monday for another Power Plays.
So I don't think bullish log. What I mean, I am feeling it. I don't think it's a moment to